and welcome. Have you ever worked with data that's a little messy? In this video, we will tackle a common problem. Cleaning up a list of user emails using some powerful and concise Kotlin collection. Look at this emails list. If we try to send emails to this directly, our program would crash on the null value and we had be trying to email an empty string. That is a not good idea. We need to sanitize this data. We will do this in two simple steps. First, we will filter out the bad data. Second, we will transform the good data into a consistent format. Our first tool is filterNot. It lets us remove items from list based on a condition. We will use a handy built-in function called isNull or blank. Is null or blank returns true for any item that is either null or just an empty or whitespace string. Since we are using filterNot, it keeps everything that isn't null or blank. Just like that, the bad data is gone. Our list now only contains actual email strings. Next, we need to fix the inconsistent casing. For this, we will chain another function right after our filter map. The map function transforms every item in our list. Here we are telling it to take each email, convert it into lowercase, and trim any extra spaces from the beginning or end. It's a simple and clean way to format our data. In just two chain function calls, we have taken a messy, unreliable list and turned it into clean, sanitized data, ready for our newsletter. This is the powerful of Kotlin's collection functions. They help you write code that is not only effective, but also clear and readable. Look at the example. So we are just first adding filterNet function to filter out to null and empty string emails from the list of emails, then mapping that and making it as a lowercase and trim the empty spaces start and end of the string, and finally it will return the actual data. Look at this, we have got that answer. So thanks for watching and happy coding.